Hello everyone, welcome back to the next video. In this video I will show you how to create a video picker app for Flutter macOS and then play that video inside a player controller. So we will be making use of Flutter and we will be creating a macOS application. So first things first, the reason why I have opened this issue is that once I pick a video, then I'm not able to start, stop, pause. I'm able to start the video because that is done automatically, but I won't be able to stop or pause the video or drag its slider along because there is this issue which is still present inside my Flutter. Now even though this issue is marked as closed, I am still facing this issue, and you can see that I think PR was merged for this particular thing, but I don't know, I'm still facing this issue. By the time you watch this video, it might have been resolved, it might not, but yeah, I just wanted to highlight to you guys I am facing this issue. So and once I will so I'll just pick the video, I'll select one video. Everyone, welcome back to the next video. In this video I will show you how to trim a particular video using the Media 3 transfer. So I have completely killed the app because I was not able to touch anything, and here you can see I'm getting this issue whenever I try to touch anything inside the video player. I don't know why it is not working, but anyways, let's get started. So first, here is my Flutter project. I have refactored my homepage widget. It is a stateful widget. I have created a method channel for it called video picker platform. Now same identifier we will have to use it on the macOS side as well, and here I have called a method called pick video. So once the button is pressed, I'm calling this method which calls this pick video method, which will give you the URL for the selected video. Now I'm storing this video URL inside this underscore video URL variable, and once over, if you see the UI, I have created the text button, and on press we are calling the pick video method. And if the underscore video URL is not equal to empty, then we are displaying this custom native view called my macOS video view, but you can name it whatever you feel like, and we are passing the video URL. Otherwise we are just displaying a container. Now for this macOS video view, I have created this class. Now firstly we have to use an identifier, so I'm using this one. Same value you will have to use it on native macOS side as well. I have created a stateful widget which takes this video URL, created a creation params because we need to send this video URL back to native macOS side. I have created one key as well, so that later on, suppose if you pick some other video, this widget should get updated, and that's why I have written this code as well. And inside build method we are just checking if it is macOS, then return this app-get view, pass our key, pass our view type. This is like boilerplate code, pass our map, and again this is boilerplate code. Next you will have to go to macOS, open the XC workspace inside Xcode. So I have already opened it, and the important thing which you will have to do first is go to runner, go to sign in and capabilities, and inside app sandbox you will have to select this user selected file read only permission. At least you will have to give this. Next you will have to go to main Flutter window, and here I have created our method channel. So same identifier I have used. Once I create this method channel, I am listening for this pick video method. Once this method is called, I call this open video picker method, which I have created down over here. So depending on what macOS version you are running, appropriate content type or file type would be set. A multiple selection I have kept it to false, and once the response is proper, I am just set the selected URL back as a return type. So if you come over here, you will get the URL, and if the URL is proper, I send the URL, otherwise I send an error message. Okay, and next what we have to do, so here I have also registered our view. Now again this is like boilerplate code which you have to write. Only thing which you will have to remember is this is my Swift file, which I will show you in a bit. So you will have to create a Swift file with this name or some different name, but make sure if you are using a different name, update this thing as well. And this same identifier which we have used it on the Flutter side has to be used over here. Now if you come over here, again this contains a lot of boilerplate code. First you will have to import avkit. Now this entire thing is boilerplate code which is common for all kind of native views, and we are also overriding this create method. Inside that we are creating our AVPlayer view, and if the video URL is not equal to null, then we construct a URL from our string video URL. We create an AVPlayer, assign that player to our player view, and just call player.play, and here we are just returning our player view. So yeah, that's how simple it is. Thank you for watching. Bye.